Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today you are going to learn something new. Today I am going to tell you about a YouTube secret menu where you can find some option which is useful for you. So without any time waste, let's get started. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new upcoming videos. Okay, so when we go to the YouTube, if we go to the YouTube and you want to watch some movies or any video, like this video, Iron Man takes Spider-Man suit. So what will happen if we play here? If we play video here, then it's, and I want to do any extra jobs on the other side, I cannot see the videos. But if I want that YouTube video play aside or somewhere else, that I at the same time I am browsing some other website and I can watch the YouTube video, then how cool is it? So I will tell you where did you find that option. If you right click on the YouTube video, you can see this one. This is the normal menu. But again, if you right click here, you can see the loop, show all control, picture in picture. This is the option which I am talking about. If you click here, you can see here this video of a YouTube video will turn, you can move around. And even if you go to another website, you are browsing another website, this video will play aside. You see, you can play here. I cannot play full just because of copyright issue, but you can see here you can move around and just fix here. In the same time, you can do whatever you want. So this option is very good and cool. You can browsing and you can doing your other things while seeing the YouTube video without on YouTube site. So hope guys you will like this trick, and if you really like it, kindly subscribe my channel and like the video and hit the bell icon for upcoming updates. Thank you.